A date in Excel is a number in the background. I have taken two dates here, and the number behind this date is mentioned here. So one actually is the date 1st January 1900, and this number is the date 31st December 9999. If we change the number format of these two dates to a date, you can see that. So what that means is Excel takes a number and applies a special number format on top of it to show it as a date. Any date between these two dates is a legal date in Excel, but any number which is less than 1 or greater than this number is not a legal date. What that means is if you apply a number format, a date number format on it, you will not be able to see the date even if you expand the columns. Excel is trying to say that these two numbers are not a legal date in Excel, and so it doesn't show you the number as a date. When you type a date in a cell, Excel applies a default number format on top of it, which it takes from the regional settings of your computer. So here, for example, you can see that this format is applied in the formula bar. In this cell, the date is shown here as 3rd June 2021, but here you can see the same number format which it takes from the control panel from the regional settings is applied, and on this date also. So if you have taken this as your default format and you have not changed it, it can create a confusion. For example, is it a 6th March or a 3rd June? This number format, on the other hand, is explicit and it shows the date correctly. A date can have a time component also. So here, for example, I have shown here two dates, and here the time is 12 a.m. So there is no decimal component after it. And here there is zero point 0.5, which makes 12 makes the time 12 p.m. Here 0.10764 makes the time 2:35 a.m. When this decimal becomes 1 in due course, the date changes. This type of handling of dates in Excel makes the date mathematics possible. So for example, if I add 1 to 3rd June, it becomes 4th June. So what Excel is doing is it's taking this number which is behind this date and adding 1 to it and showing it as 4th June. Whenever you type a date in Excel, it automatically aligns it right in a column. If you type something as a date and Excel doesn't align it right, then there is a problem in that date. So in this list of dates, there is an invalid date, but it is very difficult to find the invalid dates in such lists. So if I apply a function which takes out month from these dates, here the function doesn't work because this date is an invalid date. There is no 29 February in 2021, but it also shows right aligned. And I just said that whatever is not a date, Excel does not align it right. But why is it aligned right then? Because I have applied right alignment on top of it. So if I remove that, Excel automatically aligns it left because it tells us that it is not a valid date. So we should not change the alignment of dates in our If for some reason you have to type dates in Excel, you need to type them in one of these formats. When you type them like this, Excel converts it into a proper date and makes the calculations possible. So here, for example, I have typed it like this, which is none of these formats, and Excel has, you can see, left aligned it because Excel doesn't recognize it as a date. And this is the nearest format. So as soon as I apply a comma after 18, Excel just right aligns it and converts it into a date. So this is a proper date now. If we change the format to general, you can see it's this number which is represented by that date. right? So you need to be careful while typing dates in cells. Also, if you're typing dates, you need to type the year in full. You should not type 19 for 2019. You should type 2019. Finding dates is also tricky. So here in this list, I want to find 25th February 2022. So I'll click Control F and then here I'll type 25th February 2022. When I click Find Next, it says we could not find what you're looking for. Why? The date is written here, but it can't find it. This confusion is because the dates in formula bar are written in this format. And this find dialog box, when formulas is selected, it looks up values in the formula bar. So in the formula bar, it doesn't find 25th February written like that. If you type and then find next, it finds that out because now it is written matches the formula bar text and it finds it out. If you want to find out 25th February written like that, you have to make this values and then find it as, and then it will find it. So you have to be careful about that. It causes confusion sometimes. Here I am trying to find out which game was falling on 9th September 2021 and I'm using this cell for it and I'm using a VLOOKUP formula, but it doesn't return any value, it returns NA. So what is the problem here? The problem is that this date doesn't have a time component, but this date has a time component. So if we convert that into a general format, you can see it's this number. And if we convert this one to a general format, it is this number. And since we are using false in place of the last argument of VLOOKUP, which looks up exact matches, that is why it's not working because it cannot find it exactly in this range. So if we convert this to an exact date, copy the format, it finds it out. It finds it out even if it is a number because it looks up the number behind it.